The Insta360 Go 3 is one of the newest action cameras available today, but is it worth this price tag? The Insta360 Go 3 is incredibly portable, and I say that having used a lot of GoPro cameras and other action cameras. This thing is almost always ready to go because it charges inside of the base. Or you can charge it with a USB cable. But I really like that base because it essentially acts as a backup power supply to your camera. Number two, the different mounts that you have are really useful. And I found the mount for my hat to be especially effective in almost every situation. It just slides on and you're able to press the button on the camera to start recording. But you have other options, and you can even monitor what the camera sees from the little screen on the base. Or you can have a look in the app and you can drive recording from all of those different locations. Number three, it's also surprisingly good at working in difficult conditions. The Insta360 Go 3 does really well in shaky environments, and it needs to be that in order to be a good action camera. Now the shots you're taking are really clear, and while it's not an amazing camera in the dark, it deals with dusk and other low light situations fairly well. Just about every time I've used it, I've enjoyed the footage, and I haven't worried about this camera when I'm taking the shot. This is a recommended buy. If you're wanting to capture activities of any kind, it's better than any smartphone and easier to use than any GoPro we've had.